Hello, and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing Yamaha's brand new released WXO51 or MusicCast 50, their large single MusicCast speaker designed for an addition to Yamaha's MusicCast environment and perhaps as a wireless rear speaker. I'll explain more a little bit later. It's available in two colours. Black that you see on the packaging here and white, so it's excellent to see that the packaging quality wise and colour wise has improved and that the photograph of the colour of the product inside is delineated on the box itself. Nevertheless, we're going to unbox the black one, so let's get rid of it. Right, so Yamaha has changed a great number of their new products to reflect a white or a glossier carton. They're moving away from their brown boxings into ones with a little bit more colour. The top of the products probably feature the most colour because it helps to explain a lot of the things that these products will do. Like all MusicCast products, they have Bluetooth, Tidal, Deezer and Spotify streaming support. They'll play music directly off your phone. They'll play music off your computers. It's an AirPlay device. And so it really encompasses so many of the things that you will do with a smart speaker or a smart device of some kind. And of course with those logos, you know, all the colour stuff is at the top. The box, as I said, is full colour, and the photograph of this one, which is black, on one end is the serial number and other information in a scan, and a bit of basic information. Continuing along, you'll see another good quality photo, and just a Yamaha logo. There's nothing much on the bottom, and opening it is really easy. It's a simple pull tab and a couple of flaps to open and see the product as we drill into it. Now off to this side is a New Zealand figure 8 power cord. Now it's worth mentioning that Yamaha is now providing some pretty long power cables. This is 2 or 3 meters long, allowing for some really good flexibility as far as the location of this. Previous models have had shorter power cords, but this one, because it can become a wireless rear speaker, they've added a longer power cord to give a little bit more flexibility for its location. There's a basic user manual. In it is one of the first and most important things is where to go to download the MusicCast app. But let's be honest, you're going to go to Play Store or you're going to go to the Apple Store and you're going to type MusicCast, one word, and it'll pop up straight away. Download that app, it is a breeze and it helps with the setup, so please, I would encourage you. In the manual it shows a few of the things that this product comes with, so maybe at least unbox that and have a look. Then the product is supported with some moulded polystyrene, and it does an excellent job of holding this product in the right place during shipping. Having a look in it. The next thing is to lift the product carefully out of the next layer and just check, you know, take all that polystyrene out, give it a whirl. Okay, simple enough box, away we go. Now the product is then wrapped in Yamaha sort of bubble paper. Now look, that isn't a technical term, I made it up, but it's kind of that soft bubbly paper. It's a cross between what you would see as sort of wrapping paper and maybe bubble wrap. It's got a nice texture and it does an excellent job to protect it in transit. Nicking a few of the bits of sellotape allows us to reveal this product for the first time. Now firstly, and what you'll never see on these videos, is how weighty this product is. It's a really good build quality. It's clearly got a lot inside, not only for the speakers, but its amplification and its power supply appear to be very well built, because of course it's nice and heavy. And as you would expect with anything along these lines, sound quality, weight, all of those things, these things go hand in hand. Okay, firstly, looking at the product, it's curved. This is designed to create a mono signal from a stereo input. So there are dual bass drivers towards the middle and then a mid-range and tweeter for each of the channels off to one side. This is absolutely ideal. As you can see, it sort of would grace the side table or something like that in somebody's home or a kitchen bench and provide a really good sound. The surface on the top is this mirror finish, and please hang around for some photographs where I'll show you some close-ups so you can see the build, but also perhaps plug the power cord in and get it going so you can see what these lights and other things I'm going to show you will do. Firstly, the power and connect buttons, these are all touch sensitive. There's no longer any physical buttons on board. Tapping power, it will go through a very quick boot up and then immediately play what it was previously playing. Pushing and holding goes into its connect cycle, where it's searching through the MusicCast domain for network and other information so that it can take it. If I understand correctly, this product is dual band, so it's 2.4 and 5 point whatever that one next is, ensuring it will accommodate itself within either an old or a new wireless network. You've got an input button, and that changes the inputs that are shown at the top. You've got 1, 2 and 3. Now these are global presets across any of the things that you would like to do with this product. So if your favourite internet radio station, you can push a button and it will easily allow for you to revisit and play that again and again. The same with 2 and 3. It can be a favourite connection, it can be a favourite radio station, it can be a favourite streaming service or something along those lines. The next buttons are, they look like speakers, and one is the volume down and the volume up. And then the last is the clock. Now that clock is for turning on and off the alarm function of this product, giving you a specific button to do so. Along the top you've got screen printed information backed up with some illuminated LEDs. Power, obviously. Network and Bluetooth, these flash during setup, and obviously Bluetooth during pairing. You've got the digital input, an auxiliary 1 and an auxiliary 2. They refer to ones at the back, which we'll see in a moment. And then, of course, alarm to tell you if there is an alarm set or not. So it'll illuminate if there's an alarm and turn off if there is not. Then you've got some status lights associated with wireless and Bluetooth, which again is going to blink or illuminate depending on whether or not it is searching or has been successfully linked. Now looking just briefly at the front, please, that grille, beautiful, the build quality is very, very good, and the bottom has a big rubber sticky thing to stop it from sort of wobbling too much on a surface, and combined with its weight, it's not going to move around unexpectedly. Looking at the back, we have the inputs and outputs that are really, really well appointed. In fact, I'm really impressed that this product shares so many. Over to this side is a simple service or programming wand input. This is not for an end user to really have a worry about. We've got a network socket. This is an RJ45. Yes, you can use this wirelessly, but please, if you have a network socket within reach, please plug it in. Reducing the number of wireless products off a wireless network is pretty important as far as the overall stability of things. There's a USB at the rear for servicing. Now, it says service only. Now, I would suspect that is for a software update, but I would be surprised if it also doesn't power a 5-volt external device. So it could potentially be used to charge your phone or some other requirement if you have it. It's got a single optical digital input. That's actually because this product sounds so good, it will happily sort of bridge the gap between that of a music system and perhaps a soundbar for a TV. Then you've got two traditional left and right analog inputs, backed up with a second analog input marked auxiliary 1, and it's a 3.5. The next hole is for the figure 8 power lead that we saw earlier. Okay, so there we have it, this excellent speaker from Yamaha, the latest MusicCast speaker released in New Zealand. It's called the WXO51, or Yamaha's MusicCast 50. I'm very pleased to have unboxed it and shared it with you today at The Listening Post. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.